Hey guys, so today I'm going to enter the competition of me, my brother, and my dad, also known as Nothing Funny Left. And I'm just typing them in at YouTube so you guys can see. And apparently the contest ends May, and it's like June 16th. So, so I'm going to enter the competition. And sorry. Okay, so I have to sing their theme song, and yeah. So please like it, comment, and subscribe. So here we go. I'm a bit nervous, so don't blame me if I stink. I'll do 2 tries. I'm gonna take 2 tries. Hopefully you guys see this. Okay. Let me just turn the volume down a bit. This is what it sounds like at first. Okay, so I don't know if you guys hear that, so I'll turn that out. Okay, so that's what it sounds like, and I'm gonna try to do that. I'm a bit nervous, so okay. Here. Do me, my brother, and my dad. There you go. That was my first try. I'll try it a second time. Let's listen to it again. I like to listen to things. I just like to hear it over. Okay, so I'll try to do that again. Okay, here we go. Do me, my brother, and my dad. And yeah, here you go. Yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let's hope I win. Cross your fingers, guys. Let's really hope I win this. I really want to win this so badly because my mom is from Australia. Oh my god, that would be, if I win, I'll post my reaction video. I'll watch the video. I will not watch it until so when they post it, I will film it. I'll film it, and I'll show you guys the video. So yeah, I'm really nervous. But yeah, okay, so I'll post my reaction. Let's hope I win. Cross my fingers. Yep. Okay. Bye.